In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Michael Kors discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Michael Kors discount code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. Right here, as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this coupon with 15% discount, simply tap on this promotion right here and the promo code will show up. You can tap on this button in order to copy the promo code, and you can use this promo code on your next purchase to get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this simplycodes.com website. And right here we have also some promo codes that we can use, and as well as the best deal for today's, which is this one with 20% discount. So if you want to get this deal right now, for example, you can simply tap on copy code option right here, and this is the promo code right here. As you can see, you can tap on copy button and you can copy this promo code that you can apply on your next purchase to get the 20% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.